Alright guys, there was just an accident right now. Freaking biker got hit or some shit. You guys all right? Everything's good?
Yeah. Do you see both? No.
That's where I was on.
Yes.
No.
All right, well, the guy's definitely on the floor, but it seems like he's all right. Seems to be a little paranoid, which, I mean, understandable. He just ran into a freaking car. By the looks of it, that's like a area where you make a U-turn. So chances are, motorcycle was going this way. Car made a U-turn and he hit him. I'm not sure, but we're gonna get going. They were already on the phone with 911 and they're slowing down traffic, so I think they'll be all right. I double checked, asked if everyone was all right, so yeah. You guys gotta be safe, man, especially on those freaking motorcycles, bro. That stuff is not a joke. Not fun.